All of you, welcome to the another module of optical communication system. In this lecture, I am going to explain about how the light signal will be communicated through the optical fiber cables. Okay, this is the general block diagram of optical fiber communication system. In this block diagram, we have the main three blocks. One of the block is transmitter and another one is the channel and receiver. We have the three blocks: transmitter and medium, that is channel and receiver. Okay, suppose we want to transmit the signal. That signal may be either in the form of a sound signal or electrical signal form or light signal form. We don't know how the signal will be generated. Okay, suppose if it is a electrical signal, why? Because here mention the input signal as electrical signal, because in our electronic systems the signal will be transmitted in the form of electrical signal. Okay, so our electronic devices, they are replacing the electronic means electronic cables. So those are represented as the copper cables with the optical fiber cables. So here the input signal is the electrical signal. Suppose the electrical signal is applied to the optical fiber cable. So generally this electrical signal is applied to the transmitter section. In the transmitter section, whatever we are applying the electrical signal, that will be converted into the form of a optical signal. That will be converted in the form of a optical signal, and that signal is transmitted to the receiver through the optical medium. Okay, suppose in the transmitter section we are applying the electrical signal, but the signal is converted into the optical signal form with the help of a drive circuit. With the help of drive circuit here. See the dotted line here. This dotted line is represents the transmitter section. So in this transmitter section, you can see here this block is the drive circuit and this is the light source. Whenever I am using the red color line, this red color line which represents the electrical signal, and this blue color line is represents the optical signal. Okay, here the drive circuit which drives the light signal, means whatever you are using the drive circuit, this drive circuit which drives the light source. So the light source which generates the optical signals, and this signal is transmitted through the medium, and again that signal is applied to the regenerator circuit here, and this regenerator, it will regenerate the signal and finally is applied to the receiver section. In that the receiver section, the optical signal is again converted back to electrical signal form. Okay, now we will see how the electrical signal is converted into the optical signal form and how it will be transmitted. Okay, here we are using the drive circuit. The drive circuit is used to drive the light source. Drive the light source means the light source which is operated only for the light signals. The light source which is operated only based upon the optical signal, that is a light signal. It cannot operate for the electrical signal. Okay, so actually this drive source which is used to drive the light source in order to generate the optical signal. Simply it means whatever you are having the electrical signal, that will be modulated by using the drive circuit, and then it is applied to the light source here. Okay. See, the drive circuit used to drive the light source by modulates means changes. It makes some changes in order to drive the light source for the incoming electrical signal, and then the modulated signal is applied to the light source. Okay, this is the light source. Whatever you are applying the electrical signal, that will be modulated by the drive circuit and then applied to the light source here. So generally, what is the source? Here we are using the light source. This block is light source. So what is the source? The source means it generates the signal. The source, it will generate the signal, and here the light source acts as the oscillator here. The light source acts as the oscillator. Here the light source acts as the oscillator, so it's called as optical oscillator. It is called as optical oscillator. So whatever the modulated signal here, this modulated signal is applied to the light source. Here the light source is the optical oscillator, means it will act as the oscillator circuit and it generates the optical signal. Oscillator means without applying any input signal, it will generate the signal. So here the light source is generally used LED or laser circuit. Generally we are using the light source as LED or laser. Okay, here this LED which is used for the short distance communication, and come to the point of a laser which is used for the long distance communication. Okay, if it is a short distance communication, we can use the LED or laser, but for long distance communication, the laser only used, because the intensity of a light signal which is generated by the laser having very high intensity, while the LEDs which generates the less intensity signal. Okay, that's why we cannot use the LEDs for the long distance communication. Okay. See here the light source, it acts as the carrier source or carrier oscillator For optical fiber communication, the LED or laser diode is used as the source. For optical fiber communication, LED or laser diode is used as the source. See the general diagram of a LEDs and laser. What is LED here? LED is light emitting diode. So this is the general diagram we are using, and lasers. This is the laser diagram representation. And what is the next block here? Here this light source is connected to medium. So here the medium is a optical fiber cable. The output of a light source is connected to fly load, which is connected to the fly load here. This part is represented as the fly load. So generally the fly load, which represents the very small part of a fiber cable. This is very small part of the fiber cable which is used to connect the effective light signal to the optical fiber cable. The fly load, which is used to connect the effective light signal to the actual optical fiber cable. Okay, see here the fly load, this is used to launch the effective light signal and connect it to the actual fiber cable. So actually here this is the actual fiber cables. This part is represented as the actual fiber cable, but in the transmitter section we are using the cable that is very small part of a optical fiber cable. It is called as the fly load. It is called as fly load, which is used to launch the effective light signal and connect it to the actual fiber cable. Okay, with the help of a optical connector. See this block we called as the optical connector. With the help of optical connector, we are connecting the fly load to the optical fiber cable. Okay, this part is represented as the optical splicer. This one is represented as optical splicer. Okay, so here the optical splicer is same as the welding circuit. The optical splicer, which is same as the welding. The difference is signal. For optical splicer, we are using the optical signal, while in the electrical signals, we are using the welders. Okay, what is welding? Welding means which is used to join the two metal layers or two metals. So here also the optical splicer, which is used to join the two optical fiber cable. Okay, here the optical splicer, which is used to join the two optical fiber cables. Then the optical signal, which is transmitted and then it connected to the block that is represented as optical splitter, which is called as optical splitter. Okay, what is the optical splitter? Okay, the optical splitter, which is used to connect the effective optical signals to the regenerator circuit. This optical splitter, and it is also called as optical coupler, which is used to couple the light signal to the regenerator circuit, and it is also used for splitting the light signal, and this block is also used to split the incoming optical signal without losing of any information. See here, the incoming light signal through the cable, this light signal is now applied to the optical coupler. This block were called as optical coupler and optical splitter. So this optical coupler, which is used to couple the light signal to the optical regenerator, which is used to couple the light signal to the optical regenerator, and the optical splitter is used to split the incoming light signal without any losing of information, without losing of any information. So whatever you are having the information, that will be split into the number of signals, but there is no loss of information. Okay, now this splitted signal, which is used to connect the another equipment. Suppose here I have one equipment. Suppose if there is any equipment is there, then we are using the optical splitter to connect. Okay, and come to the point of a regenerator here. This regenerator circuit, which is used to retimes and reshapes the original signal. It is used to retimes and reshapes the signal in order to provide the original signal. Okay, so in this regenerator block, so this is called as the optical receiver block, and this optical receiver, what is the incoming signal for the optical receiver? We have the light signal. This light signal is now converted back to the electrical signal form. The red color, now it is represented as the electrical signal form. This electrical signal is now applied to the electronics component here. This block is called electronics component. This electronic component, in this block we are using the regenerative circuit and reshaping circuits. Okay, in this electronic block we have to use the regenerator and reshaping circuit in order to regenerate the original signal, and then again apply to the optical transmitter here. So at the output of an optical transmitter we are having optical signal. So again this optical signal is connected to the optical splicer here. So this optical signal, which is used to join the two optical fibers cables. Okay, this optical signal now applied to the optical amplifier. This block is optical amplifier. Okay, so this amplified signal is applied to the receiver section. So what is the purpose of optical amplifier here? The received signal is optical in form, but due to the long distance transmission, maybe the signal amplitude levels or the strength of the signal will be reduces. So in order to strengthen the signal, we are using the optical amplifier. Then the amplified signal is applied to the receiver section here. So in the receiver section, the first block is the photodetector. The first block is photodetector or photodiode here. So this photodetector which help us to convert the incoming optical signals into the form of a electrical signal, and the electrical signal is applied to the amplifier in order to amplify the signal in the form of electrical, and again that signal is applied to the signal restorer here, so it will restore the signal, and finally we are getting the original signal, that is a electrical signal what we are applying at the transmitter section. In the transmitter section, our incoming signal is the electrical signal, and at the receiver we are receiving the electrical signal. Inside the optical fiber cable, this is the process. This is the process inside the optical fiber cable. Okay. See here, the optical splicer is generally used to connect the two or more optical fiber cables, and the optical splitter used to couple the light signals to the regenerator, and also used to split the signal without losing any information. And in the regenerator block, we are using the retiming and reshaping circuits in order to get the accurate signal and convert back to the optical form. The optical amplifier used to amplify the obtained optical signal from the regenerator. So due to the long distance communication, maybe the signal will have less amplitude levels. In order to amplify the signal, we have to use the optical amplifier here, and then at the receiver section we are using the photodiode, so it is acts as the demodulator or detector. So generally it is used to retrieve the original signal. So here our original signal is the electrical signal that is retrieved from the optical signal. Okay, so this is the general description about the communication of a optical signal through the fiber optic cable. Thank you.